Hi, I'm Trisha at Club Scrap. Do you happen to take a lot of pictures of your dog? If so, we have a kit just for you. This kit is called Paws and Claws, and this one's for the dogs. We've got two really fun prints here with the doghouse and the little food bowl, the collar, and the heart here in the corner. And then we have a beautiful all-over print as well with a nice soft background, the little hearts, and the little paw prints. And to complement that, we've got a ton of plain sheets of paper here in cream, this gold, rust, a light brown, a dark brown, and this pretty green. And helping you finish your pages, as always, we've got our printed cut aparts. These include the border strips, journaling prompts, some really fun, adorable quotes, and more. And you want to embellish your pages. To help with that, we've got some ribbon here, this really wide cream checked ribbon, 2 yards of a brown jute, and then a yard of this grosgrain ribbon that has some metallic gold woven right through the middle. For other embellishments, we have 3 craft tags, 2 of these giant paw woodcuts, 2 little paw charms, and 3 of these adorable dog paper clips. Now here at Club Scrap, we are all about helping you use everything that comes in the box. You can start by downloading and printing your detailed paper trimming and assembly instructions, and then follow along with me during the video workshop. We'll trim all of the papers to make each 12 by 12 pages together. We'll stay very well organized, and then go ahead and incorporate all of the papers, the goodies, the ribbon, everything we've included in that box to help you make some pages to showcase your
favorite furry family member.
So come and pick up your Paws and Claws Dogs Kit, and let's make these pages together. I'll see you in class.